We will be making want things really nice and thin.
This is how you become a chef.
For tacos. Maybe a lot of it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Damn, we went to Flavor Town.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for watching. This is actually a new series we're doing, so we're still thinking of a name because this is the first one, so I'm happy to have you guys watching.
Maybe comment below if you have suggestions.
Yeah, comment below what you think this could be called. We're going to be making low carb meals, so a little background. Years ago I lost weight, and now I follow this super healthy lifestyle where I try to be, so I eat really low carb, and now he's kind of adapted as well, so we try to make meals we can eat together while still being low carb.
Sure.
And so today we will be making
Fish tacos.
tacos.
Easy enough.
Obviously it's such an easy dish, but sometimes I wouldn't order that when I go out to eat because it could seem really unhealthy, but now when you have some low carb tortillas and you make things the right way. So
you don't bread the fish.
Yeah,
All right.
we pre-prepped a bit. A little bit of cabbage goes a long way. Okay, don't cut your fingers off. I'm a chop master. Worked at a restaurant for
She served
years,
at a restaurant.
But yes, I was a server, but we also had to do prep work. So they taught us kind of how to chop a lot of different things, which is kind of cool because I never really knew how to, and it shows when we're cutting things up. I like to do all the chopping because he doesn't really know. There's certain ways to chop.
I'm pretty
every
good.
vegetable. He's a good chef. Some of his knife skills are a little bit off, and you want things really nice and thin for tacos.
This is how you become a chef.
Well, yeah, so this is our kitchen. We cannot really stand it. Everything about the kitchen is just not updated, and we are thinking about buying a house soon, maybe in like a year. Our wedding's postponed. Today is our rehearsal dinner actually, and tomorrow was our wedding, so that's really cool. So maybe in a year after we get married we'll buy a house. I don't know, but I want my kitchen to be... Alright, so we have the cabbage here. That's the main thing. We're not doing lettuce with these tacos. I think it adds a nice crisp crunch when you just do the cabbage. We have radishes. That's another prime point. So we made an avocado cilantro sauce, and I'll leave the recipe below. It's honestly really, really amazing. This was the first time making it, to be honest, but it's the perfect little drizzle to go on top. Sometimes if you chunk the avocado on it, it's a little bit like...
Too much?
Yeah, it doesn't really have much flavor. So we have the garlic, cilantro, salt, pepper, oil, and water just to give it a little bit of a thinner consistency. So we have that now added to our lineup. And then we're gonna go ahead and cook the fish. Normally we do, if we were in like Florida, which is where we first made the fish tacos, which is what gave us the reason to make them here. But what did we do? We did like the fresh, like, what was it, halibut? Or
I think it was some grouper, but
grouper?
we got
so
got
here
some
we
tilapia
have
now, you know,
tilapia, and I know
previously frozen.
maybe,
Whatever.
maybe not. Hopefully
It
not.
definitely was, but
It looks good.
Yeah.
It says 100% guaranteed.
so you know you got it.
So we have the freshest fish, like just caught. No, but literally in Florida, that was how it was, and they were so good. But we're hoping, and I think they will. With our chef skills, they will be as good. So we're not gonna really do any oil. We're just gonna do a little bit of blackened seasoning, and then a little salt and pepper. Keep it simple. Look at that little.
Perfect.
Like this. We're gonna go ahead and put it in right now at 400 degrees for
12 minutes.
we kind of just
We'll see
look
what
at it to
happens.
see. You don't want to overcook it because no one wants dry fish, but yeah, so we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so the fish is done. Now the way it's low carb, we have my favorite low carb wraps. There's different brands that I like even more, but this is what was at the store we went to. So this is 6 net carbs per wrap, which is still like 1/3 less carbs than most wraps. And then we have our cheese, we have everything ready, so we'll get to plating. Okay, and last we'll add to these masterpieces, Tapatio hot sauce.
A little bit.
A little bit. Maybe a little bit. I like it spicy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Damn, we went to Flavor Town.
Sauce.
Really good. Yeah.
Game changer. Amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll definitely catch you next time on our little cooking adventure. Hey guys.
Hold on, restart. I was laughing at you. I'll take over.
No.
Hey, guys.
Here.
Little side of Dan, okay?
No.